pa, hindi.
Okay.
Hindi, tsaka yung ano, yung Stay with me,
Yung Lisa
you
Loeb.
and I, tingnan Lisa Loeb yun eh. You and I will always be
As
close to each other. Stay with me, loving you is so easy. Please won't you stay with me?
Diba?
When I look into your eyes.
Di ba yun yan? Oh, hindi yan Lisa
Ano?
Loeb. Stay by...
I
Sino
love.
pala kumanta niya? Kasi yung Stay with Lisa, by Lisa Loeb, yun
You
yung ano
say.
I only hear what I want to. Naku, away
Ate.
ko. You say, I talk so all the time, so. And I thought,
What I felt was simple.
kanta mo to eh.
And I thought that I don't belong. And now that I am leaving, now I know that I did something wrong because I missed you. Wala pa sa ano pa natin yan.
Ano yan yung
Oo,
parang
sa breaking up is hard to do. Ano, sino may love? Bago naman.
ano meron ba
Wala
kayong
na
ano?
natin. Kung nga patay.
Vicky, meron ka bang tanong? Or
Oo,
meron ka bang gustong...
violent reaction, ganyan.
Oo, ikaw, my love?
Hindi naman. Last question.
Okay.
Sa staying in love? Yeah. How do you stay in love?
Agad.
When you don't want to be with that person anymore, but
Ay,
you know that you still
oh my
love the person, how
God.
do you stay in love?
Oh my God! Ang hirap nun.
Hindi, di ba usually,
Hindi.
ang couple ay, you love each other, but
Mm.
you don't want to be together anymore because you know, there's something that you don't like
Yeah.
about the person, right? Or
Mm.
maybe you don't want to be with the person anymore. But of course, yung love naman talaga, meron pa yan eh.
Matagal pa wala.
It's a choice. You want to get out of the relationship.
Yeah. Siguro, unless yung
It's okay,
kunyari,
baby.
nagmamaganda ka lang na parang, yung parang, nagpapaka-strong ka na, no, I don't wanna be with you anymore, even if you're still full of love. Kasi, kunyari, niloko ka or something, kaya ka nakikipaghiwalay. Pero, yung kunyari, nagmamahalan kayo, tapos one day you wake up na you just don't love each other anymore, you just don't feel that intense love that you feel for each other. That's
There's
the
always a
saddest part.
reason if you want to get out of a relationship.
Yeah.
It's because you don't love the person
Yun
anymore.
nga, eh,
That
sinasabi
much.
ko.
That
That much.
That much.
Oo. Siguro ako parang ako, pag nag-usap kami ni May Love
And
na,
always yan, most of the time,
mm,
because of a third party. I think,
yeah.
kasi hindi
It's
mo
true.
naman magagawa yun kung walang iba eh. Bakit ka aalis sa isang relationship?
Meron ka ng kinakalibangan. Hindi man pa kayo, pero meron ka ng
Meron ka, at the back of your
kinakakiligan.
head, not kilig, at the back of your head, you're talking to someone, maybe. Or,
At based from experience. Hindi ko alam if this happened to other people, na parang, kasi it happened to me also. It happened to me. Yung dinadasal ko na lang na, sana mawala na itong pakiramdam ko kasi ayoko na. Wala lang akong choice kasi wala akong pupuntahan. Wala akong pupuntahan kasi
So,
wala
ibig
akong
sabihin,
sa bahay
may-
namin. Kung may pupuntahan ako, pero it doesn't mean na nagloloko ako. Kung may pupuntahan ako, aalis na ako doon. Kung pwede na ako umuwi sa bahay namin, aalis
kasi
na ako
nagloloko
doon.
yung kasama ko.
Hindi,
Hindi naman ako
hindi rin,
nagloloko
hindi
eh.
rin.
Oo.
Masama na lang talaga yung pakikitungo. Naiyak ako.
Oo,
Kasi
ba't ka ba umiiyak?
hindi kasi nga, it can
Oo,
happen. It can happen na, it does, kasi parang sinasabi, mostly or most of the time, it has to be third party. Pwedeng kinakasawa. Ako, yan yung palagi sinasabi ko kay my love. Wala ako, sobrang tamad ako para mag third party. Pero masama talaga yung ugali ko paminsan. Talagang sobra akong madakdak, sobra akong makulit. So, yun yung fear ko na anytime magsasawa siya. Ganun. Eh, I'm coming from that. Well, hindi ka ba, di ba? Sa video.
si Baby natatawa.
So, ayun. So, it doesn't have to be third party. So,
Kasi I think I have to know also kasi gusto ko maging mabuting tao. Pero you
alam
think
mo,
if I'm a
Pifoy,
good
mabuti
person,
kang tao. Hindi, wag mong anuhin doon. Hindi porket nagloloko ka masama kang tao.
hindi nga ako nagloloko ba ako?
Oh my God, boy. Oh my God,
Hindi naman
boy.
yung bukihon siguro.
Oh
di
my
ba?
God,
Sabi,
boy.
hindi ka nagloloko. So, I'll take your
So,
word for
oo
it.
nga. So, if you
Pero
think na
kasi
hindi...
nagloloko ka.
Oo.
So, down to definition. di ba?
Oo, kasi parang feeling niya, hindi ko alam, meron siyang ibang ano ng
Ganun
pagloloko.
lang. Dapat may ganun yata.
Oo. Kasi pag hindi ako nag-ganun, sabihin hindi ako nagloko. Oo, so hindi ako nagloko. Sumanap din sa atin.
Pero
Ayoko naman
like,
salita
it
po.
depende sa
Oh my
definition.
God.
Kasi may mga definition na ang panloloko is, di ba, pag nakikipaglandian ka,
Yes! The fact that you're flirting with someone.
kailangan gawin yun.
Yes!
Yes.
So, pero sa pagkatao po sa pagkatao bilang partner, yung partner, kunyari, kung maayos ka, hindi ka nagloloko, mabuti kang
Nobody's
tao.
perfect. Pinag-uusapan natin yan, di ba?
Mabuti kang
How to stay
kaibigan.
in love. Di ba? Definitely, your partner won't be perfect. Magkakamali yan. Meron yan magagawang hindi mo magugustuhan. How do you stay? How do you stay together? Ito ang topic natin, di ba?
Yes,
So
yes.
we learn from our
Yes,
mistakes.
yes.
So
Yeah,
now
I
I'm
get
telling you, nobody's perfect.
Yeah.
Your partner, kahit palitan mo yan, kahit iwanan mo yan, yung susunod mong partner na akala
Oh
mo perfect,
my God.
excuse me, magkakamali pa rin yan.
Oh
At
my
you
God.
will wake up one day, nasasabihin mo rin na, toot! Di ba?
Excuse me, that I have to, I have
Di ba?
Wait lang
Oo.
Meron lang akong ano dyan. Yung partner ko before si My Love, I stayed for 11 years because yan ang finid sa akin ng kapatid ko.
Nobody's perfect.
Hindi. Hanap ka ng ibang lulukuhin ka na ganyan. That's why, kahit paulit-ulit niya ako niloko, I stayed.
Pangit naman yung paulit-ulit.
Sandali lang, please, boy. Kasi very, yan, parang pag itinuro mo yan sa tao na parang, hindi, you don't settle for anything less.
Yes, exactly.
Once
Don't settle
na
for
niloko
anything
ka
less.
ng isang tao, lolokohin ka niya ulit. That I can guarantee. Kaya kami ngayon, my love, ang usapan namin, kahit gano'n natin kamahal ang isa't isa, pag once niloko kita, ako, nagloko ko, please, kahit maglumuhod ako sa'yo, huwag mo ako tatang. I am back!
I'm Boy.
Follow us on Beck and Boy! Remember, be kind!
Yes.